Brain-eating amoeba. Recently, Kerala has reported multiple cases of brain-eating amoeba, this particular infection infecting the brain with multiple deaths. Let's learn about this infection. This infection occurs because of an organism, Naegleria fowleri. Usually gets transmitted via swimming or bathing or playing in freshwater lakes, ponds, rivers, or stagnant waters or poorly maintained swimming pools. What exactly happens is that this organism travels via your nasal epithelium, nasal epithelium, brain, layers of the brain, infection, and leads to these symptoms: fever, neck rigidity, neck stiffness, even seizures, low sensorium, low responsiveness of the patient being drowsy, not eating properly. All these are the initial symptoms of this infection. Now, this infection is treatable with medications, but because it infects the brain, the penetration of all the medications to brain is usually less as compared to other body organs. So timely treatment really helps. So suspicion is very important. Prevention is all the more important. Now, how do you prevent this infection? You can prevent it by avoiding risky water activities in freshwater lakes, ponds, poorly maintained swimming pools. Secondly, please try to maintain the swimming pools with proper chlorination, proper and thorough cleaning on at least daily basis or on alternate days basis, on basis of alternate days, at least during this outbreak or during this interval when the organism is proliferating the most. And third, most importantly, at the first suspicion, go to a general physician or a neurologist. The suspicion arises with fever, neck rigidity, seizures, loss of consciousness, episodes of fainting, drowsiness, being lethargic. All those are the suspecting symptoms. So if you have any of those in your nearby areas and the person has history of swimming in these risky water bodies, please let the general physicians or the neurologist know so that timely treatment can be given and patients can be saved. Thank you. Spread this news to all your relatives and friends. Let me know if you have any doubts in comment section. I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.